Shannon.
with what we're at the Waffle Flower office. Should we redo it? Okay. Hi.
Hello.
This is Nina.
I'm Shannon.
We're in the Waffle Flower office. This is our new video room. We're still setting it up, so don't worry about the weird settings so far. We just wanted to try out the Instagram TV and show you some of the samples we've made for the July release. The first set we have is a Bouquet Builder 2 stamp set illustrated by Helen Dardick. And we've been having so much fun. We have 3 flowers in this set. So I made this card super quickly, just stamp them and color them together, and he embossed the sentiment and put them on vellum to wrap around the front. And this was very quickly done, and I have a short video for you, and you'll see it very soon. Maybe it's already on our Instagram feed, but I don't know. So the next card is made by our accountant, Sunshine. So
Our talented accountant.
yes, and she's a clever card maker. And she likes the white on craft, so she stamps the sentiments. Oh yeah, we have some very beautiful sentiments in this set. So she stamps the sentiment on the craft paper for the background and made a number 10 card with just the cone flower in the front as the focal point. Beautifully watercolored. Okay. We're showing these 2 cards first because Shannon's card is so pretty. After you've seen hers, you wouldn't want to see ours. So let's show Shannon's card.
So for my card, I did some no-line coloring with Tombow dual brush pens, and I really liked how this turned out. This is a really fun way to color in these flowers as well.
All right. I just want to point out that she also have those for kind of like scattered the sequins around to add even more interest and some sparkle to it. I just love it. And the background is made from our Sunshine panel die. That's just get back in stock. That is back in stock now. Okay, so the Bouquet Builder stamp set is a 5x7 stamp set. That's why you can have so big flowers. And we have a 4x6 stamp set, very traditional size, and with lots of cute images. So you wanna? Oh, I'll show my card first. Yeah. Okay, so this is my card. That I used a lot of the images on this set with the Christmas tree, the 2 little guys there, and the girl there that's like tapping the tree right now. There's no sentiment on this image, so you can, use all the sentiment sets. Use your favorite sayings that will suit this card. I have a video on this too, and we might post it very soon.
I did a blended background, kind of like a night sky with the 2 little kids, the cute little kids from this set kind of laying on a snow mound, kind of making snow angels or looking up at the stars as snowflakes. I just think this is a really fun set because you can get a lot of different feelings or themes, Christmas kind of holiday themes with just this one set.
I love how they look like they're making the snow angels, so it's really cute.
It's a fun one.
Yeah. Okay, so there are more cards. We just forgot to bring them to the office. That's why you're only seeing 2 right now, but you'll see more on our release day tomorrow. So, right, tomorrow. Right? Yes, the 5th. Okay, so the next set is a 3x4 stamp set. We're trying to have a whole range of different stamp set sizes, so we'll have something for every budget. So this is just an $8 set, but it's super pretty, and this one is made by Channin.
Yes. So I just colored these in with some more Tombow, really simple coloring cards.
You were really big on the Tombow marker.
I did a lot this time. I like how vibrant the colors they are. And this is a really fun set. You can really, I used a lot of the images, like the coffee cup that are on the sketchbook itself, and kind of used it around the sketchbook to kind of fill out my scene and make more of a scene. So you can really have a lot of fun with this set as well.
It's illustrated by Flora Wake Up, which is who also illustrated the Dexelholz stamp set. So she had this, it's kind of like the daily objects in your creative life. So I have made 3 cards, very simple, using 3 different techniques, and that will be my release video. It will be posted on July 5th and during our blog hub. And don't forget to join our blog hub because we'll have $25 gift cards to the store to 3 random winners. So don't forget to join us tomorrow. I keep saying tomorrow. I hope we're posting this on July 4th. And happy 4th if you guys are watching this. Okay, so this will be a video and we'll show you some tips and tricks about how I mix them together. Totally simple, quick, and easy. And pretty. Okay, it's a very small one. I think we can show it.
Okay.
Okay, I think we can show it because it's really small. You've seen all the images already. It's a cat on the floaty and the cheers sentiment. So we have a 2x3 stamp set like this and a matching die that goes in there, and also the rainbow die will be included in this combo.
Okay. Die. Okay. So my current obsession is iridescent foil and rainbow. So of course it made its way onto this card, and I just had to have that kitty with the rainbow. It's just such a cute little combo, and I think what's really great about this set is that you can make masculine birthday cards with this set, which are sometimes hard to do. This one maybe not so much, but my other card is definitely much more masculine themed. But again, this rainbow is just gorgeous, really a must-have die.
Okay, I kind of like when I was filming it the other day, I feel like this is kind of like the big floaty rainbow floaties, you know, those giant ones you put in the swimming pool.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it looked like, and the foil you have on the background kind of like the water on the pool kind of thing. So I think it's pretty cool. And she's on the, is that the she or he? He's on the
what?
he's on the floaty anyway. Okay, so we have another very clever card made by Sunshine.
Brilliant. She's so smart.
I don't know whether you guys remember we had this champagne pop. Is that champagne pop die? Is that called?
Yes.
Champagne pop die last year for the new year, and we have these champagne popping out when you unplug it. I don't know how to phrase this. Okay, isn't that fun? Okay, and we have another card. This is definitely like a swimming pool.
Yes, this one is an alcohol, very simple, just one alcohol ink alcohol background, which again, I will have a video for this coming in a couple weeks, so definitely want to check that out as well. It's very easy to do, and then I just Copic colored the little kitty, and again, this would be a really great card for a masculine birthday. This is and I of course had to do iridescent foil.
Yeah, I just noticed that. That's so fun. Okay, so that's all the cards we have so far, and I will film a video to focus more on the rainbow die because you can use it. Yeah. Where's the card? So our rainbow die has this white outline in between all the rainbow stripes. So you can either use them together or use them separately. So I will film a video about that one, and we'll have all of them ready on the release day. And for this release, we'll have a release bundle with close to 20% savings. So do check us out on July 5th. Bye.
Bye.